Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic WPS Office Word, how to get rid of the red line. As example, we have red line in this word. So if you want to get rid this red line, you can go to review menu, click on spell checks drop down menu, and then choose option. To get rid, you can uncheck this check spelling as you type. Click OK. So the red line will be automatically removed. If you want to show again, you can active for check spelling and click OK to apply. It will be appear in the word. Okay, that's it for basic WPS Office Word, how to get rid of red lines. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.